If you've been watching your hard-earned profits vanish into thin air, you're not alone. Trading can feel like a roller coaster, thrilling highs, crushing lows. But the truth is, many traders unknowingly make the same costly mistakes over and over again. It's time to break the cycle. Let's uncover the 5 most common trading mistakes draining your portfolio, and more importantly, the actionable strategies to avoid them. Mistake number 1, overtrading. When you first start trading, it's tempting to believe that more trades mean more opportunities to make money. Unfortunately, overtrading often does the exact opposite. Excessive trades lead to mounting fees eating away at your profits, poor decision-making driven by impulse rather than strategy, emotional burnout, which clouds your judgment even further. Strategy to avoid it. Set a trading plan and stick to it. Define trade limits. Decide on a maximum number of trades per day or week to maintain discipline. Focus on high-probability setups. Only enter trades that meet your predefined criteria. Quality over quantity wins in the long run. Take breaks. Resist the urge to constantly monitor the markets. Step back and allow your analysis to guide your actions. Mistake number 2, ignoring risk management. Imagine risking half your capital on a single trade, only to see the market turn against you. Sound terrifying? It should. Failing to manage risk properly is one of the fastest ways to blow up your account. Strategy to avoid it. Use the 1 to 2% rule to protect your capital. The 1 to 2% rule. Risk no more than 1 to 2% of your total trading capital on any single trade. This ensures no single loss can wipe you out. Set stop-loss orders. Always define your exit point before entering a trade. Stick to it, even if emotions tempt you to hold on longer. Diversify positions. Spread your risk across multiple trades rather than putting all your eggs in one basket. Mistake number 3, chasing trades. It's exhilarating to see a stock skyrocket, but jumping in after the move has already happened often leads to disappointment. Buying at the peak or selling at the trough is a costly error. Strategy to avoid it. Patience is your most powerful tool as a trader. Wait for pullbacks. Instead of chasing the trend, allow the market to come to you. Use technical analysis to identify pullback levels or confirmations before entering. Use limit orders. Set specific entry prices to ensure you're buying at a favorable level rather than reacting impulsively. Learn to sit on the sidelines. Sometimes, the best trade is no trade. Don't force opportunities that aren't there. Mistake number 4, trading without a plan. Without a clear trading plan, you're essentially gambling. Randomly buying and selling based on gut feelings or hot tips leads to inconsistent results and unnecessary stress. Strategy to avoid it. A plan isn't optional, it's essential. Create a written plan. Outline your strategy, including entry and exit points, position sizing, and risk management rules. Stick to your rules. Once you've developed your plan, trust it. Deviating from your strategy often results in unnecessary losses. Keep a trading journal. Document every trade. Know what worked, what didn't, and how you felt during the process. Regularly review your journal to identify patterns and areas for improvement. Mistake number 5, letting emotions take over. Fear and greed are the silent killers of trading success. Fear might keep you from pulling the trigger on a great setup, while greed might tempt you to overstay your welcome in a winning trade. Emotional trading leads to impulsive, irrational decisions. Strategy to avoid it. Turn off emotions, turn on discipline. Use rules-based systems. Let predefined criteria, not emotions, dictate your trades. Take breaks after a big win or loss. Step away from the screen to reset. Overconfidence or panic often leads to poor decisions. Focus on the bigger picture. Remember, one trade doesn't define your success. Consistency over time is what matters most. Now that you know the 5 most common trading mistakes killing your profits, you're equipped with the tools to turn things around. Which of these mistakes have you struggled with? How did you overcome them? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more trading tips that will keep you on the path to success.